Look at the inside. You guys, we're at Plum, and we're trying these new Jamaican patties. This one's coconut crab, and this one is
brisket and oxtail gravy.
Okay.
Too much flavor.
Too much flavor.
I love it.
You love it, so it's not too much. How's the dough so far? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold the camera for me. Go. That's so good. I've never tasted anything like that. Look at the inside. You can see the crab.
Coming in for the brisket.
So much filling.
It's all flavor.
What do you
That's all
think?
I'm gonna say. All flavor.
Do you love it?
It's actually. I hate your noise.
Soft.
Yeah, I think crunchy at the same time.
Look at these crab flakes. It comes crabby, but doesn't taste like too seafoody. Yeah, it's perfect. I want you to see a piece of that bite, bitch. It has like corn, carrots, or sweet potato. How much was it though? $9.75. $9.75. So on the more expensive side compared to a patty, but definitely worth trying. Super unique. You know it's a good patty when it takes 3 days to make.